on today's video, I want to show you what I got in my Grove Collaborative box. So I just ordered a few things, and of course they always have promotions going on. So they have some YouTubers that if you shop with their link, you get certain free stuff. I didn't go through anybody's link because I didn't hear about anybody, so I just went there. And what's nice is when you spend $20, you get a couple of free things, but it does automatically sign you up for like a VIP thing that you could cancel right away, because if not, it's a monthly charge. So they wrote a little thank you note and all the stuff that I got. So I got this walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. I know I hear a lot of people talk about these. It's the walnut one. There's a 2-pack. I believe this was free. Okay. Everything's like nicely bubble wrapped and everything. So this is one thing I did purchase. It is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Scrub or Cleaner. I really like this, so I got that. Okay, this is another thing that I purchased. It is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. This was a free item. It is the glass spray bottle, so I got this for free. Myers dish soap. I believe this was free too. It is like a lot of free stuff, and I think it was like a little free stuff, and then they added like another 2 things on top of it. I got lucky, I'm assuming. So, well, here you guys can see that. It's dish soap. This is the stoneware tray. So it's a little tray that comes with the dish soap, the hand soap, and the lotion. I think that's what it is. So got that. That was the free thing. So that was free, and I think the spray bottle and the sponges were an extra thing that was free. So here's the hand soap, and I got in what fragrance is this? I think I got the lavender. Yeah, lavender scent. And then this is the hand lotion. And then, oh, I actually purchased this one. So to get to the $20 so they could ship it to you for free, I got this, the toilet cleanser, and the anti-bac. So that was around $20 and some change. And then everything else was free. So it was such a great deal. And this is the little guy I got. I thought it was so cute. My counters or my cabinets are kind of that bamboo color, so I thought it'd be perfect. So yeah, that is everything I got. It's really great because I purchased, what, 3 items, and I got this for free, this for free, this, the soap, and the glass spray bottle. Let me see if I can open this real quick. This is the glass spray bottle. And it comes, you can get like a product that is concentrated and you mix with water, but I could just put my own thing in here. So got that for free too. So I'm really excited about this. I did cancel the VIP membership thing because I don't plan on getting cleaning products every month. But you can adjust it to however many months you want or anything. This is not a sponsored video. I just been very interested in the Grove Collaborative and their products, because this is stuff I shop for already, so I might as well get it there. And they ship it, and I literally ordered this like 2 days ago, so it was quick shipping. So yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.